Alright, how plates move. It's just the basic structure. So we know the center of the Earth, so there's the inner core and the outer core, but we'll just call it the core. We know the mantle is in between, and the outer part is the crust. Now we know the crust is made of solid, the mantle is made of liquid, and we know that obviously there is some heat because the lava or the magma that comes or that flows out of volcanoes has to come from the mantle, so there's going to be some heat there. And what you learned in P1, remember that hot air or hot liquid rises and cool air or cool liquid sinks, and that hot air rising and cool air sinking is known as convection, and like we said, it happens in both liquids and gases. So these two combined, the crust and the upper part of the mantle, is known as the lithosphere. So that's basically what sits on top of the rest of the mantle. So this is the whole mantle bit. If we were to draw, let's say, this blue bit is the lithosphere. It's the upper part of the mantle and the crust together. So that sits on top of the mantle. Now we said because the mantle is made of liquid, we know that any heat and any those plates that are sitting on top of the mantle, the reason that they're going to move is because of the convection currents that are happening underneath, because the mantle is made of liquid. So basically the lithosphere, which is the upper part of the mantle and the crust, it sits on top of the rest of the mantle, and we know the mantle is made of liquid. So any heat from that through a convection current is what will cause this lithosphere, which has your tectonic plates, to move, and then that's what causes your earthquakes and your volcanoes from erupting. But that is how the plates move, because the plates move because of convection currents. And we have convection currents because the mantle is made of liquid. That's it.